Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Beetle wiper blades. First, ensure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft towel. It's always a good idea to check your owner's manual for the exact wiper blade size and any specific instructions for your Beetle model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off. Remember to place a towel on your windshield before releasing the arm to prevent any accidental damage to the glass. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Finally, it's time to test your new wiper blades. Turn on your car and use the windshield washer fluid to activate them. Observe their movement to ensure they operate smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free wipe across the entire windshield. Regularly inspect your blades for any signs of wear or damage, typically every 6 to 12 months, to maintain optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.